Hello, we're back. I got my order and we're ready to go. I'm going to do an unboxing and show you some of the things. I have a couple new things in there too. By the way, if you weren't able to get your hands on this little mini crossbody bag, I told you that I absolutely loved this. My phone fits in it. It's just so convenient. I use this all the time. I carry it in my regular handbag, and then when I have to run in someplace like the gym or whatever, I pop this out, put my phone in there, and I'm good to go. They're not available anymore. So whenever they have something like this that says limited edition, you better get your hands on it because now they're gone. They don't have these anymore. Kind of disappointing because I was going to get another one. Okay, scarves. We talked about scarves. I'm going to show you what I did today. Again, it's fall and it's scarf weather for me, and I love scarves. Real quick, you're probably going to have all going to have a heart attack here, but I took 4 scarves. 4 scarves, put them together, and let me just show you the different ones here. Now I've got a brown one. Now you would never think you could put these together, but they look really great. This kind of a floral print one, and a red polka dotted one, and a blue one. Now all of those colors are picked up in this one. So, excuse me, again, still have that dry cough. You see all the colors in there. You see the browns and everything. The browns are picked up in this scarf. The blues, obviously, are picked up in this scarf. And the reds. So let me show you what I did. Simple, easy. I like bulky scarves, especially in the wintertime. Take these scarves by the corners. Just like this. I got the 2. I hope I don't have a coughing fit. Here's the brown one. And here is the red one. All of these colors. Take them all by the ends. Grab them in the middle. You can have one a little shorter, one end. And can you see that? I have one just a little shorter than the other, just because. Couple ways you can do this. Pull them through here like this. And there. I love this. I absolutely love this. So this is one way. And you can just kind of tug on them. Make sure that they all are hanging in there even, and this one isn't. You just grab through there and just kind of straighten those up in there like that. Well, okay, this one doesn't want to do it. We're going to get it. Do it again. Grab them. Put your hand through there. Grab through. You kind of straighten them out as you pull them through. There we go. Like that. And this makes for a nice, and it's warm too. Now there's a second way that you can do this. Again, now I'm going to have a short end and a long end. And I'm going to take the short end first. I don't want it too short here. And let's see here. I'm going to pull it through here. Pull it through. Then you're going to put your hand through there. Twist. Take the longer end. Pull it through. And then turn. And look at that. Isn't that pretty? Love to play with scarves. Excuse me again. Okay. So much for the scarves. And you can kind of rearrange the ones that are hanging. Pull them towards the front if you want. So anyway, that's how you do it. Okay, so let's get started with the box. I am so excited to show you some things in here. And some of these, like I said before, are my customers. Excuse me. So I will not be opening theirs. And, oh my goodness, okay. Somebody else got some slippers. I showed you mine. Slippers right there. And candles. Now these are mine. And let me show you the new candles. I'm excited about their candles. Now I have a candle warmer that I set mine on, so I don't have to worry about fires because we have animals and don't want to tip them over. Oh my goodness, this one is Let's Go Apple Picking. This smells amazing. Now they have 3 wicks, so they burn even, so you don't have that wax up along the side of the candle if you if you light them. And you remember you want to trim your wicks down every time you use them. But right there, beautiful, smells amazing. These all smell like fall. I just love this. I didn't get any of the ones for winter because I'm into the fall right now, so we're doing fall. And this one is Save Room for Pumpkin Coconut Pie. Oh my gosh. These things, actually I can smell it through the paper. I don't have to. These are amazing. Look at that. There's the Save Room for Pumpkin Coconut Pie. I wish I ate that stuff, but I don't eat pies anymore. It's sugars. And here's another one. This one, excuse me, is Sticky Cinnamon Goodness. Oh my gosh. This is amazing. If this Sticky Cinnamon Goodness, there's a 3rd one. I think I got 4. And right here, this one is Enchanted. I lied. I did get a winter one. I got one. Because you guys, these holiday candles, they sell out. Oh, this smells like, oh my gosh, this smells like Christmas. Smells so good. This is Enchanted Snowy Forest. Beautiful. Okay. Okay, there's that one. Now, before I forget, we're into our holiday brochure right here. So anything that you have your eye on here that you think you like, you better get it because these items sell out fast. They do that every year. I've been with Avon since 2014, and their Christmas items sell out. And we'll get into some more of the Christmas items at another time. Okay, and this is the Strawberry White Chocolate Candle. This is a customer's. And then, of course, this gets so soft. They have the bonus size shower gels. Excuse me. So if you want to get the bonus size shower gels, you better do it because then I have a hard time getting them. And they're added to the wait list. Now, I got me some new brushes. I'm excited to try these. These are something new. They're from the Creme Shop laser cut edged brushes. And I don't know if I'm going to be able to open these. And I will show you how we use these here. Just in a second, sure. I always make these a little difficult. Oh, they're all... Okay, they got these little tapes on, so we'll just undo the little tapes. I was kind of excited about these brushes, these makeup brushes like that. So these are for blending. I'm excited. I want to see how these are going to work. And we'll probably do a little demo so you will know. Okay, so we'll just put all these back together. And let's see what else. Oh, I had another brush. Looks like we're back. And some more blending brushes. Some Kathy Cat Studio 1886. And some jewelry. I know what that is, but I can't get it out because my husband just got home. So, okay, hold on. Here we go. Okay, so we have one more box here quick. See if I can get this open. So you're going to have to excuse the dogs because Daddy's home and they're all excited. I wanted to get this done. I wanted to get on here earlier, but I didn't. Okay, and of course brochures, but here's some more body lotions. And this is a customer's. This is the new set with the strawberry and white hot chocolate that smells incredible. So the candle, the body spray, the bubble bath, and here's the body spray right here. So that is it. And then we've got the new brochures for the next one. So be ready because we're going to be talking about some of that stuff too. And with that being said, that is all I have. And if you have any questions, you need an Avon representative, I can help you with all that stuff. And we'll talk to you really soon, you guys. Bye. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.